look at what's up here. These are drones, and they will fly ahead of the car to light up the way. Look, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. They have spotlights on every one of these drones. This is an off-roading car, so once you get to wherever you want to go hiking, the drones will follow you on your path and light up where you need to be. Look at this roof here. The sunlight is completely open. Okay, take a look at this. You've got hammock seats. Look at that. So, oh, this is really comfy. That's nice. All right, so the cool thing is that when you get to where you want to go hiking, you can take these hammock seats with you and place them in the trees. You can take the binoculars. Look, you've got some up there. And also, all of these doors have water bottles attached to them as well. Okay. Then you've got a first aid kit here that you can take with you as well. Let me show you around. Take a look at the back here of how it's all open. This is the Audi AI Trail. Take a look at these tires here. Special off-road tires. And then, look, got a phone with me. What you do as the driver is place it in here, and this becomes your dash. You control everything from your mobile phone. There's only pedals, a steering wheel, and your phone. There are no other buttons or levers anywhere in the car. Look, you've got these side view cameras here and one over here. And then you've got this luggage space here if you're going camping, for example. And then you've got kind of a helicopter view where you can see up, out through the ground, up through the skylight, and through the entire cabin, like a 360. All right, I think that's it. I think we've got it. All right, so I want to go somewhere warm. It's freezing. I feel like I'm in Antarctica. I'm just in Germany. What's going on? All right, let's go.